Hi guys, my name is McCluskey. I'm 19 years old and I'm a drummer from Arbroath, Scotland. I've been playing drums for about 2 years. First started in high school, and then after high school I went on to study at Perth University, Highlands and Islands, to study music. There I formed a university band. We've only had one gig. We were called Lead Pencil. I also currently play in St Andrew's Worship Band in Arbroath. What a great group of musicians it's to play for. I also play in a band called Tusk, which is a very new project that I've just joined and very excited to get started. So a bit about me and my drumming. I use Collision 5A Stealth Series. I've used 5As for quite a wee while, especially when I'm playing in a church like this. I want nice heavy sticks. But normally I would be using Vic Firth Nova 7As. But yeah, I'm happy to make the change and I'm really happy to be joining the Collision family. So yeah, cheers.